Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am here chilling in my couch with my robe on and my iced coffee by my side. But in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and showing you everything I got from H&M. They recently sent me this huge box that I'm going to show you right now. But before we even start, this is one of the ropes here. And honestly, so comfortable. It's so comfy and cozy and perfect for when you're at home under this quarantine. Just a reminder that these items, I am going to be doing a working at home lookbook for you guys to show you how I dress while I'm working at home. So if you guys want to see what I recently got from H&M, then continue watching. Cue intro.
Didn't even get to bronze.
I'm kind of want to change the intro in my video, but I don't know yet. We'll see. So this box, this is the box they recently sent me, and there's tons of items here, 10 items including this robe that came in here. I just wanted to try on the robe just so I can film it with, you know, being here, comfy, cozy. So the items, I'm going to show you one by one. So first of all, there's a robe. I got it in an XL or 2XL. And it's honestly so comfortable. I'm not going to be trying on the clothes or the shoes or anything in this video because I want to do a lookbook. First, before I even start, I want to thank H&M for reaching out to me to do this video, keeping me busy while being stuck at home. So I want to thank you and Andrew for giving me a chance to do this. So guys, I'm gonna show you one by one. So like I said, this robe is honestly perfect. It's long, maybe up to the calf long. They did send me a whole duvet cover and bed setting for my bed since I am planning to change everything in my bed. Share the print on this. It's different. I've always usually done like all white or anything, but I wanted to try something different and kind of change the style in my room. I did get a US Queen in my duvet cover here. Moving on to clothes. So I did get these dress pants here, which I am obsessed with the color, and I'm definitely excited to rock this. I'm planning on a in-home photo shoot, or probably just go to like my backyard or my front yard or to my local park here and probably take pictures. Just in case you guys were wondering, I did get it in a size 38 waist. That's my size. We'll see how the in-home photo shoot goes. If I do like the ideas of taking pictures inside my house, then I'll probably film it. Moving on to the next item, I got these pairs of jeans. I had a chance to pick out everything myself, so every little thing that I had chosen here, I picked out thinking, you know, stuff that I would wear at home, or stuff that I can like have a fun photo shoot with, or, you know, stuff that we can transition to from winter to spring, since spring is just around the corner. Did it just start? I don't even know what day we're in, let me tell you. The men's skinny coat Molanti? I don't know. These are dark denim. I chose these these jeans because I do want to make a fun look. I don't own dark jeans this color. Most of the jeans that I do have are light washed out jeans. So these, first of all, can go with a lot of things, and especially dark jeans can go with like a suit if you want to dress it up or you want to dress it down. I did get a size waist 38 and length 32. So those are my sizes. So my waist is a 38, my length is a 32. So these do have a stretch to them. So for men of size like myself, this would be perfect. Oh my god, I'm trying to open it cute and not rip the plastic, but this one's pretty amazing. It was the first item that I saw and I'm like, I need to pick it up. I need to grab that item because it's perfect for a spring shoot, for a spring outfit. It's a regular fit cotton shirt. This was $12.99 and it's a black floral and a 2XL. I am excited to pair this up either with a dark denim or maybe wear a suit in this underneath. Mix up the business outfit with a little hint of floral. This one's pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. 2XL, so you guys don't know, H&M does carry 2XL. Some of them are 3XL. Exciting that they have sizes that we can wear. I'm really excited to try this on, I'm not even kidding. Another shirt here, another spring style shirt that I I literally had to get. So this right here is the long sleeve 2XL slim fit viscose shirt. You never know how viscose is gonna fit. Some of them it's meant to fit a little bit oversized. I did get a 2XL just in case. I don't want to get a 1XL and then maybe be too tight for me, but this one, it does look like it's going to fit oversized, but I'm excited. And then viscose is very light and very summery, so you can wear this in spring and summer. This one I got in a black ferns, that's the color. If you're into this shirt right here, go to the website because they only have a few items left. It's definitely going to be a nice vacation shirt or a summer shirt, but like I said, this whole coronavirus thing is insane. Hopefully things get better by July. July is my birthday, and like that we can plan trips. Next item here, so this one here is a nylon jacket that I saw on the website, and I've been seeing on H&M's Instagram how I love the way it looks. I love the way they pair out the outfits for this jacket. It's a nylon shirt jacket. This one I got it in light beige. I know the heat's right around the corner, but this is a very, very thin shirt jacket. But here in Arizona, like in the mornings it's pretty cold, at night it's cold, so I can wear this right now. Alright, the next item that I got is this pattern resort shirt, it's called. This one I'm excited for. So it is woven viscose fabric. This would look really nice with the dark denim that I showed you guys. So a lot of you that don't know what viscose fabric is, it's similar to the black shirt that I showed you with the dress shirt, but it's a very lightweight shirt, usually perfect for summer because it doesn't get you hot. It's cool fabric, flowy type fabric, as you can probably see here. Just dress it up, dress it down. You can do so much. You can wear jeans, dress shirt, or some shorts and sandals, and off the beach we go if we are able to go to the beach anytime soon. Now we're moving on to shoes, since I did get 2 pairs of shoes. I got these white sneakers here. You can never have enough white sneakers. This would probably be my 4th pair. I'm not saying I have thousands and thousands of shoes like most of these fashion guys, but this right here, pretty badass. Like everybody needs a sneaker like this. This is genuine leather sneaker. I got it in white, obviously, in 11.5, so I am an 11.5 size shoe. Excited to pair this off like this. I'm gonna put it on with the dress pants and maybe the black and white shirt. I don't know. I'm excited to just pretty nice all leather white sneaker. Next item are gonna be these boots. I did order some boots. So I did order these boots here. These are the boots with the zipper. So you don't even have to undo these. Like you can just tie them up, and then it has a zipper on the side that you can just slide your foot in. But these can go with a lot. So these will go perfect with the dark denim and like maybe a white dress shirt. When I get new clothes like this, makes me want to just be dressed up every single day, since I am working from home. Dress up every single day. It's one of the things that motivates you too. If you wake up in the morning, and I know this quarantine thing, it stresses people out, makes you not want to do anything, makes you not want to dress up. But one thing that does motivate people is just dress up. Wake up in the morning, like if you're going to work, dress up, do something here at home. Just keep motivated, don't lose hope. Things are going to get better, hopefully soon. Just keep clean, just wash your hands, keep your distance from people, don't go to big crowds. I understand sometimes we need to go to the store, we need to get our essentials or find toilet paper, which I still don't get the whole toilet paper thing. I keep praying for those who are sick, who are fighting this virus. It's insane how much lives it has changed to the worst. Like so many people dying over this, so many people who are sick and fighting to get better. So many people that have lost their jobs, who are not working as much, who are been laid off, and just keep praying and don't lose hope. Alright guys, so that's pretty much what I got for this unboxing video, and I want to thank H&M and Andrew for sending me this stuff and for reaching out, making sure I'm doing okay. Honestly, that meant a lot to me. So just a reminder guys, I am filming another video with these items, which I'm going to be doing a lookbook video of what to wear when you work from home. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up or share it to everybody. Alright guys, so with that being said, if you guys don't follow me on my social media, everything will be linked down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel, and don't forget to subscribe here. Join this little family. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time.